so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, ever.
Happy birthday, surprise!
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Hello, good morning. Okay. Tara na yung balay diri. Okay. So kabalo na sigari kung sa gipadalang daddy.
Was nagsulti ko daw.
Unsa may yampong?
Naingon na siya nga lay na daw wari mo ko na ko.
Okay. So karon kay naami delivery sa imuha. So para mahibawaan nimo kung unsay gipadala, okay. Para mahibawaan nimo Arian no? Arian kung unsay gipadalang daddy atong ablihan ang sakyanan ha. Okay, so atong ablihan para mahibawaan kung unsay gipadala ni daddy, okay? Ato ka dito to. Three. Okay, so ikaw mo open. Sige. Open, center din ha. Okay. Happy birthday! Surprise! Happy birthday, baby! Okay. Ilay na mo today? Nakakilak pa na po, no? Okay, so may butan iriyan. So, we are Cebu Night Flower Bouquet Delivery. So, si Daddy ang nagpadalaan ni si Daddy Froilan. Okay. Akan niya na po yung cooking. So, nani 2,000 cash, napag-mix chocolates. Okay. Pinangga ni Daddy, right? Kasi mo package baby na kay ribbon cake. Okay. So, na-message si Daddy nga ipabot sa ito nga. Kaya nayan na po ang music. So, atong basahon ha. So, naingon na yung mong Daddy. Ate Arian, happy birthday to a precious Ate Arian. We are so blessed to have you in our life. And you're one of the most beautiful things that I came into our lives. Ate Arian, this is the things that we wish you for. The courage to stand up for what you believe in during times of trouble. A cool head, a warm heart, and a sense of humor to help you through the most challenging situation. And the open-minded that recognize that no matter how intelligent or knowledgeable we became, we made to continue growing and learning. We always pray for these things we came your way, and we are forever be there to support and guide you. You are my number one fan. Wow. We love you unconditionally and forever. And also, we are so proud of you. Congratulations, anak. Nakagraduate na ikaw. Mag-aaral ka ng mabuti para makamit mo ang iyong mga dreams and goal in life. Kung may time man nga pagalitan ka namin, hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ka namin love. Gusto lang namin itama ang mga kamalian na ginagawa mo para hindi na maulit. Para din sa kabutihan mo, anak. Wala kaming ibang hinahangad kundi makabuti ka lang. Lagi kami nandito para makinig at alalayan ka sa lahat ng mga bagay. Mag-ingat ka lagi at alagaan mo ang iyong sarili. Don't forget to pray always. Be a good example to everyone, anak. Mahal na mahal ka namin. At huwag mo pala kalimutan na kumain ng gulay. Huwag purong chicken. Baka magkaroon ka ng pakpak. Hihihi. Love ka namin, Ate Arian. Okay? Sa message sa imong sister nga si Diamond. Happy birthday, sis. You can be amazing sometimes. But honestly, I wouldn't trade you for anyone else. You're a pretty big sister, but I am prettier. Because send me some cake, little box with me later. Miss playing with you once again. Happy birthday. Sama ni mong ikasulti sa imong daddy. Unahan imong daddy. Okay.
Thank you like kaayo like wa na ko na expect laging ani pa like thank you kayo papa. I love you mo call later ni mo then Diamond mo play na lang ka later of broke
Okay.
Thank you kaya po mama like kaayo love ano lang like thank you like kay mo gininatag nimo ako like really like birth ako like you've been supporting me since I was a kid and I love you very much very much for that.
Okay. So once again, happy birthday, Arian. Enjoy your day, ha? Okay. So, mga Anthony, happy birthday. Mag-blow ka sa imong tenda. Okay. Dalaga naman tayo, Pinoy. Natag ko din mo ang forma. Ay, lang tangan. Okay. Mga Anthony, daw na imong balon din. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay. Make a wish, be, and blow your candle, ha? Okay. Okay, happy birthday, yan. So, yung nilay na. Sinanggal kay kanipapa niyo. Okay, so, mag-picture kami. Picture, be, ha? Okay, down ng balon.